Here, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to turn on always show translation on TikTok. In this way, the videos and the captions will be appeared in the form of translation which you language select. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now select the language from here. Now you can see always show translation. When you turn it on, videos, descriptions and captions will be translated in your translation language. Click it on. In this way, the translation language will be turned on. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.